Razor Repair Zone. Today I'm going to try out a recipe of cleaning cartridge cases in a ultrasonic cleaner. Now these ones aren't that dirty, but we still got the primer pockets that are dirty. The insides dirty. I haven't tumbled them. There we go. You see that a little better now. I'm going to put them in my ultrasonic cleaner. Now we're going to have 4 cups. I already poured it. 4 cups of warm water. I'm not exact, but I don't know if we need to be exact. So 4 cups of warm water. We're going to go for 1 cup. 1 cup of vinegar. Here we go. There's the vinegar. He's going to go 1 cup of vinegar. Put in a couple drops of jet dry. Whoa, that's a little bit more than a couple drops, isn't it? So I figure the salt is mixed or what? I don't know. I'm just gonna... Don't forget a little squirt of dish liquid. How cool that works. I'm using Dawn here, but I think you could use any kind of dish liquid, like for your sink. 480. We'll let that go. All right, 480 seconds are up. Looks like it's doing a great job. Still a little bit in the primer pocket. I might just leave it go a little bit more, but it's looking, wow, even inside is nice. All right, this is the second time. It ran for 6 minutes. Getting a little better in the primer pockets. Not as much as I thought it would be. Not as good as I thought. I'll have to do it again. Set her up again for the third time. Water's getting a bit dirtier. Actually quite a bit dirtier. Oh yeah, she's looking pretty good in there now. A little bit left. A little bit left around the primer pocket and that one. Just cleaning it out pretty good inside. And some of them are looking pretty good. I think one more time will do the trick. There, 4th time. All right, this is the 4th time. Actually, that primer pocket's pretty nice. Yeah, I think it did a pretty good job. The primer pocket has a little bit of crud in it. There's a primer pocket now. There's a Q-tip with, there's a little bit of crud on the primer pocket, but that's the best I've ever seen. Yeah, I don't think we'll have to do any more. So it's 4 times at 480 seconds. So that's 24 minutes. And warm water and a little bit of, this is like a quarter teaspoon, but I'm not even going to use that much. You know, maybe half of that. I'm going to put it in there. Then I'm going to shake it around. And what it should do is neutralize the acid of the vinegar. Looking pretty nice. So here's the primer pockets now. After 4 times. Some are a little cleaner than others, but I think it did a pretty good job. Alright, now we're going to stick them in the toaster oven. Put it on bake, 350 for 10 minutes. And that should get all the water out. Casing's out. 350 for 10 minutes is a little long. They're nice and clean inside and ready to rip. You can load them up and go. Hopefully I didn't harden this brass too much by keeping it in heat so long.